Still here. Hole. Take a look. It's solid. You got it there?
Yeah, almost.
Ready? Ready. Watch out. Got it. Moving to the roof now.
All right, thanks.
Got it, looks good. All right, let's see what's under here. Oh no, that's worse than I thought. Yeah, deep pits. Gonna need more than just a scrub. Huh. Look there. Found something? Yes, I see it.
Keep pushing. Got it. There it goes.
The front is good. Rear's holding. Ready when you are? Okay, let's do it.
Keep going. Almost there. Keep it steady. Up, just a bit more. Easy, easy. Watch that edge. We're clear. Move it left. No grinding. Smooth. Wow. Just wow. Oh man, this goes a lot deeper than I thought. Yeah, that's not good. The fire went further than we thought. See that warp line? Right next to the column mount. Well then, let's get started. Ah, I found it, right there. Hand me the welder. Perfect, it's held. right, lowering it slowly.
Yep.
Keep it steady.
Yep.
Just a hair to the left.
Perfect.
Perfect, it's home. Almost there? Good. And click. All right. Keep the pressure steady on the left.
Right.
Yeah, I'm working the cord here. Almost got it. Nice. Looks seated now. Keep the pressure steady on that corner. Just a little more, it's almost there. Got it, perfect.
All right.
Looks good, nice and flush. Perfect, it's home. Hold on, it's not sitting right. Okay, I see it, let me realign it. Got it. Let's finish this sequence. Perfect, done.
I can't believe it. I'm gonna try again, it's not possible. Unbelievable after all this work. It has to be now. Finally, that's what I wanted to hear.